It's very important to know more about ourselves so we can actually recognize small blockage so it cannot grow to a bigger blockage, right? So when we feel the body, we don't just think, oh, so it is. We want to actually connect the energy and start move our mind, body, mind, and spirit, right? Move the mind. And then we're going to think about the area we are experiencing uncomfortable feeling. And then we think about universal qi arrive to me and just go to the parts of my body that I do not feel very good. Say example, oh, I feel pressure here, for instance. Then I can think about qi and then think about qi arrive to me. So this is particularly important if people actually have heart issues, right? Think, relax, connect, breathe in, relax, bring energy here, think. Breathe in, breathe out, think, connect. Breathe in, breathe out, connect. Breathe in the universal qi, connect with me, say my heart. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Relax, think. As you keep doing, your mind becomes calmer, and so is the heart. Relaxing, calmer, and then you feel better. I hope this helps you. So if you like what I do, please check the link below, and then I look forward to see you on the other side. Check it out now.